Today, I'm diving into Coze, an AI agent builder that claims to simplify the process of creating intelligent agents for various tasks. But does it really live up to the hype, or are there some hidden pitfalls we should be aware of? Coze aims to empower users to create AI agents without needing extensive coding knowledge. At its core, it allows you to design and customize agents that can handle tasks ranging from customer support to data analysis. The interface is quite user-friendly, which is a big plus for beginners. You can drag and drop elements to build workflows, making it accessible for those who may not be tech-savvy. One thing that stands out right away is the variety of templates available. These can help jumpstart your projects and give you a clearer idea of what's possible. However, I did find some areas lacking clarity, like the documentation. While there are guides, they don't always cover the more complex functionalities in detail. For businesses looking to automate processes, Coze could be a handy tool, but I wonder if more experienced users might find it a bit limiting as they scale their needs. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Coze's drag and drop interface makes it easy for anyone to get started, and the variety of templates can save time. It's a solid option for small businesses or individuals looking to dip their toes into AI. However, there are definitely some frustrations. The documentation can feel incomplete, and users might struggle to find answers to specific questions. Also, pricing isn't super transparent, something potential buyers should be cautious about. If you're looking for advanced features or high customization, you might find Coze lacking compared to more robust platforms. In summary, while Coze has its strengths, it may not be the best fit for everyone, particularly those with more complex needs. In conclusion, Coze is a good starting point for those new to AI agents, offering an accessible interface and useful templates. But if you're more experienced or need advanced capabilities, you might want to explore other options. It's worth trying, but just be mindful of its limitations before diving in.